I'm behind the bar in Nohrlund with a gentleman called Anders. So Anders, so who are you and where do you come from?
I come from Denmark and I'm the founder of Nohrlund. We founded this company for 5 years ago. Actually, my background is a bartender. We have been doing, me and my partner has been doing cocktails for around 15 years. So we started out like doing cocktail catering for bigger or smaller events where we came out with a bar and make cocktails.
So now you've got on draft, you've got cocktails.
Yeah, so we started to make all these cocktail premix, so they were fast and easy to handle for everybody because of the demand was very high.
Of course, especially being able to maintain the taste of a proper cocktail.
Yeah, exactly, and we also reduced the waste, so we got a more consistent cocktail, but we also can handle the waste and
so how
the
do
price.
How do you contain the flavour and the longevity of it?
Yeah, that's a big thing. So we actually built the European largest cocktail factory.
Oh, wow.
So everything we do each day is cocktails.
And that's all in Denmark?
It's all in Denmark, yeah.
Okay,
so we have like a huge cocktail shaker where we can produce almost 40,000 cocktails each time.
Wow.
So we can bottle them like here and we can put it on draft.
Brilliant. So how can you make a perfect espresso martini?
I can show you. So the thing is, we can pour it out here. Sorry. It's over here. So it's on draft. I pour it on ice. And I put the glass up here. And I take my shaker. Shake it with some ice. And it is ready to serve. Very, very fast.
Oh, I can smell the coffee as well.
Yeah, exactly. So here you have, and fast. We can call it a fast track espresso martini. And you just put some coffee beans, and here you have it.
I suppose now the test is in the taste.
Yeah. So here you go. Cheers.
That's not bad, is it? You still
I'm
take
glad.
chocolate in it, and it's
I'm glad to hear.
So, but how do you make a perfect mojito then? Because mojito, obviously, again, is another.
Yeah, it's very difficult because you have to have the fresh mint. So the thing is that in our factory we influence it with rum. So we pour all the oils and all the color and taste out of it. So it's in there for almost 14 days.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and then we have like a small green base. So we put up in our cocktail. So that's the way we get all the taste and the flavor from it. It's
so does it have bits of the mint in there as well?
The mint is in here, and you have small bottles that have to raise. But that's you can say it's our take on a classic mojito, drafted.
Good.
And then we also have it in these kind of bottles.
So you can buy them individually like that, and you would just serve that over
so
ice?
it's one serving, yeah.
Oh wow.
So you can have this individual.
That's really good. I think I prefer that to the espresso martini.
Yeah, it's two different kind of cocktails, yeah.
Yes.
So this is more fresh and easily drinking.
Fantastic. Wow. And what's your favourite cocktail that you serve?
Oh, there's a lot of different kind of cocktails, but actually this one is my favorite. It's a special Nordic cocktail with vodka infused by walnuts and some Brazil and some blackberries.
So it's a very nutty-based fruit cocktail.
Yeah.
Because I've not heard of that one.
No. It's we have our classic cocktails like mojito and so on, and then we also have our own recipes, very Nordic ingredients. So we have like strawberry rhubarb. This one is with blackberry, and we also have carrots and so on. Yeah.
So it's a bit of your secret recipes that you've got going.
Yeah, exactly.
Here.
Yeah. So we bottle it and then put it into premix cocktails.
So I won't be able to make them myself then, will I?
Oh yeah, you can, but it will not. Maybe it will not taste the same.
Brilliant. Keep being individual.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much. Yeah.